Hello wood turners and makers, and welcome back to my channel. For a couple of months my daughter's been on to me about a jewellery box. Well, cursed, it's done. If you want to see how I've made this, keep on watching. Let's do some turning. To rub it all down, I'm going to start at 180 and go right the way down to 600. Once I've done all that, we'll come back. Okay then, all the rubbing down is now completed. I've gone from 180 grit down to 600 grit. But what I want to do now is burn some lines in here, just to black them out, give it a bit of a effect. Nice black lines in there. Now it's time for a bit of sanding sealer. That's it. I'll let that dry, give it another coat. I'll see it in a minute. Okay, I'll put 2 coats of sanding sealer on, let that dry. Now I'm going to denib it now with the last grit that I used on rubbing it down, which is 600 grit. I'm now going to apply Yorkshire grit. Once I've done that and that's done, the finish coat, wood wax 22. Once that's been applied, the wax stick. That will be my final coat. Okay then, don't off bring up your work, this Yorkshire grit. It's really good stuff. It's now time for wood wax 22 on it. Nice clean paper towel, and then apply the wax on. Right, now for the wax stick. Okay, we're all finished, turned round. Now what I'm going to do now is run the drill through it now to indicate the depth of which I'm going to go. Okay, drilled a hole in there to mark the depth that I'm going to go to, and it's time to hollow it out. Okay, it's time to turn the lid for our jewellery box. That is the finished part of the base. It's now time to do the lid for it. Same with this now. Rub it all down, 180, 600, and then the same finishes as I did with this. Won't bore you with it, I'll just carry on and do it, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. Bottom of the lid's all finished now. I've took it off the glue chuck, turned it round, put it on there. It's time to do the top. down to where I want it now. I know that that will fit in there because when I done the bottom I'd already got the measurements, and all I had to do was follow it round to there. Now what I'm going to do for the handle is with this crystal, we're going to insert that there, and away we go. Hello and welcome back. Lid is now finished and now ready for the crystal to go on. Like so, and it is now ready for the base. It's a nice fit, and there you are. I'll leave some stills at the end so you can see one jewellery box for me daughter. I hope you've enjoyed this video in making this jewel box. If you have, please press the big squidgy button and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.